the curtain so far with some of the flowers attached to the valance. Hello friends, this video will show how to create a single crochet edging around the flower motif, and this is the flower motif I'm working on, and this is part of the flower curtain video that I have shown before in the previous episode. And so in order to create the edging as well as the stem so that you can hang the flower on the valance of the curtain, we have to create the edging, and also for the purpose of hiding the tail of the flower motif from the previous round. So started with inserting the hook on the tip, on the flower tip. There's a single crochet right there, so start the single crochet edging there, and this I have anchored the attached the contrasting yarn, and we are going to hide the tail also as we crochet. So single crochet on the space, this is space right here, 6 of them. That doesn't count since that's the beginning stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and spread the yarn or the single crochet, then make a single crochet on the next single crochet from the previous round, that one. So as you notice, my tails, I'm crocheting over the tails, so now I got 2 tails to hide. So you line it up with alongside the loops that you are working on. So another 6 single crochet on this space right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 6, another 6 single crochet on that next space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then another single crochet on this space right here, just like we did before on the single crochet. And so you have made a complete loop over the flower petal. And the rest of the video will be repeating what we have done here. I'm gonna do one more. So after the single crochet, we'll make 6 single crochet on the next space. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Compress the stitches so that it's evenly placed on the space or loops. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6. So we're gonna complete another petal of the flower. So 6 single crochet on this space here, on the next space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and single crochet on the next single crochet of the previous round. And so repeat what was done here, and on the next video I'm gonna show how to make the flower stem once we reach this part. So watch for my next video. Thank you for watching.